Hey guys, how's it going? This is Karol from Undisputed Marketing. If you're watching this video, probably doing some research on YouTube and asking yourself, are affiliate links allowed on Facebook? So in this video, we're going to dive deep into this topic. We're going to actually talk about it in great detail. I'm going to show you how it works, if it is possible, if it is not possible, how you can get around it, and I'm going to show you a little trick or hack that I used when I was trying to figure it out on my own. So before we dive into that, you've probably noticed that I'm in front of my YouTube channel, The Undisputed Marketer. So if you're not a subscriber yet, I highly encourage you to subscribe on this red subscribe button. I strive to deliver each day a new content regarding online business and affiliate marketing. So go ahead, subscribe to get all the new content from me. So having said that, let's dive into our today's topic and let's talk about affiliate links on Facebook. Are they allowed or what? Now, to be honest with you, affiliate links are not allowed on Facebook. Whenever you post your affiliate link on Facebook, the post will be either deleted, suspended, or anything else. It will just disappear from Facebook. The affiliate link which we'll get from either ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZ, whatever it is, any other affiliate platform, is basically the raw affiliate link where you can see the the name of the platform, your affiliate ID, and some random numbers or whatever it is. And this is basically Facebook knows it and they just delete it because it's just not allowed and so on. However, there is a way for you to post your affiliate links on Facebook, and it involves it involves you getting a domain. Now, don't get freaked out. A domain is very easy to do, very easy to get, and it's just a no-brainer, to be honest. It costs maybe 10 euros, 10 bucks per year. And there are different platforms for domains, literally hundreds of them. I personally like to use Namecheap because it's probably one of the cheapest that I've seen. I also like GoDaddy. That is basically the first platform that I started on with domains, so it's very easy. And with the domain itself, when you buy your domain, it's basically your name, basically your name on the internet, right? The domain name. So with the domain itself, you cannot really do any much with it. You cannot build anything on it. You do need a hosting, right? Which is basically you are going to place your domain somewhere on the internet, right? And that is the hosting that creates the place on the internet. And now hosting systems are they range from different prices and so on. You can do it through WordPress or maybe Wix or others, which are you need to either create the website, which takes time, or which takes time and also money if you're going to do it with Wix or any other. However, in this video we're going to actually talk about using only your domain name, only your domain URL that you bought. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, that you can use only this domain and post your affiliate links on Facebook. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to use GoDaddy because that's where I've started, and that's where I literally use this technique, this method when I was starting. Guys, I am maybe 99% sure, but probably 100% sure that this method can be used with any other domain platforms. I just don't really know how to do it because I don't really have experience with it. I do have experience with GoDaddy because that's where I was using it. At the moment I'm using Namecheap. I've checked how it should work on Namecheap, but it's a little bit different than this one, so I haven't really got into that. So you can 100% do this with any platform. I just don't really know how, so you will need to check it out for yourself. So I'm just going to log into my account. I'm already logged in, which is perfect. So I'm going to go into my products and I'm going to find out my domain. And with the domain itself, we are going to go into the DNS section. DNS is basically like settings of your domain, right? Very generally speaking. So let me just load up, and we are going to go for something called forwarding. So basically you're going to forward or redirect a person who enters your domain to a different page, right? So let me just, okay, here we go. Here are the records, name server, here is forwarding. Now, perfect. This is what we are going to work with. So now here you have your domain, and here are your subdomains. Now you can see I already have quite some subdomains, and you probably won't have any. So don't worry about it right now. Here is your domain. So if you want, you can use your domain and you can forward people directly from your domain. However, what I like to use is I just don't play with domain at all, but I like to use the subdomain, because subdomain is basically like a prefix in front of your URL, in front of your domain. So as you can see here, I have like a dream subdomain. So basically it works like dream dot my subdomain, so millionairetips.com, right? So if you choose your domain, for example XYZ, and you use your subdomain dream, so it's dream.xyz.com. Very easy to understand, right? And with subdomains, subdomain works like completely different page. You can do with it exactly what you can do with your domain most of the time, right? You can redirect to one page, then your domain will be to a different page, and you can create as many subdomains as you want. At least that's my experience. I don't really know what is the limit for it. I know I have already here 5. We are going to create another 6th one, and it's just completely fine. So you can literally promote more and more affiliate links with your one domain. So I'm going to show exactly how to create your subdomain. So you want to click over here on add, and here is the subdomain name. So again, this is basically something over here. So just think about some creative name, so maybe something related to your promoted product. So I'm going to just, for the sake of this video, I'm going to use XYZ, and here is the forward to. So here we need our affiliate link. So let me just go into ClickBank, and again guys, it works completely fine with ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, whatever else. It works with all the platforms. I'm just going to use ClickBank because I like ClickBank, right? So I'm not going to explain you how to get a ClickBank account. It's very self-explanatory, very easy to do. When you want to get your affiliate links, you just need to go over here to Marketplace. Here are all the, on the left side, here are all the categories you can choose from, and here are the products you can promote. So you just click over here on the red promote button, and here is the generate hop link. So I'm going to click on this one, and over here is your hop link. So you can either highlight it all, or just click over here and it's copied. So I'm going to go back into the GoTeddy, and here is where we are going to paste it. As you can see, I already have here some links that I've used in past, and now now is the important part. As you can see, we have here HTTPS. So this one we're going to change to HTTPS, and I'm going to delete this one. Perfect. Now here is the forward type. I like to use the temporary one, or basically permanent, doesn't really matter. And here is the most important part. I'm just going to open this up so you can see it. Here's the settings. Now if you use forward only, this one, then it's not going to work on Facebook. If you use forward with masking, the second one, is going to work with Facebook. So use forward with masking. And here is the title. So basically the title is, as you can see, here is the domain manager. That is the name, the title of it. Here is the undisputed marketer -YouTube. That is the title. So again, think about something that is related to your offer, to your product that you're offering, whatever it is. Again, for the sake of this video, I'm just going to use XYZ, and I'm going to click on save. And you don't need to worry about description or keywords or so, just save it. And okay, feature, yeah, it should work already. I'm just going to check XYZ. Okay, so I'm going to use, here is how it works. So remember how I spoke, it's xyz.affiliate xyz.com, right? So dream.xyz.com. So I'm going to use xyz. I already have it here, but I'm going to just retype it in just to make sure I retype the exact domain. And here you should have your affiliate offer. Voila. ClickBank University. Perfect. So this is the method that you can actually use and leverage the power of the domain and really post your affiliate links on Facebook directly without creating a website or anything else. However, having gone through this strategy and having gone through the journey that you are probably going through as well as a new affiliate marketer, I know exactly what you're going through. I know exactly what is going on in your head, in your mind, and what you are going to look for, and so on. I was the same. I literally tried to not spend any dollar at all. I wanted to do everything for free and just see if it actually works, if it is actually real affiliate marketing, right? And I did many different things. As you can see literally in my GoDaddy account, I don't really use this one anymore, but you can still see I have here the subdomains that I used. So the thing is that I tried this, I went through all of these things, and I never really succeeded with these topics, these methods. Like I could get some clicks over here, over there, maybe some sale here and there, but it was never really profitable, and especially for the long run you can't really be successful with these kind of methods. And so it took me some time to really understand and realize how it works, because if you're going to just spam all your links all over the place on Facebook, on other platforms, and so on, you will be exactly the same as 95% of people on internet and doing affiliate marketing. 95% of people are doing this, and it just doesn't work. It really doesn't work. So you gotta think differently, do something different, be different. And it doesn't really, it is not that difficult to be different. It's actually very easy if you know how to do it and what to do to get head and shoulders above the rest of these affiliate marketers who are starting out. So guys, listen, exactly for this reason I've created a 4-day free video series for all of you guys who want to start with affiliate marketing properly, learn the strategy to use that works, that sells, that literally drives people and traffic and sales to your account. And so if you are interested, if you want to learn this strategy, if you want to learn affiliate marketing properly, how to do it and how you can really leverage the power of affiliate marketing, then click the link in the description below and you will get full access to this free video series. The video series is basically the same thing as this video. I'm recording myself, I talk on the video for you, so it will be very similar to, and you will get access to all of these 4 videos. And if you will like it, each day there is something new about affiliate marketing, the strategy itself, and so on. And if you will like it, there is also an option for us to work side by side. So this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got lots of value from it. I hope I answered the question: are affiliate links allowed on Facebook? And I hope to see you soon, guys. Bye, guys.